my God, someone should like my video. Does that mean I can't actually like the video myself? Please, someone should like my video. I live on YouTube. Adibo niile abụ m Ada Ejemono. Anọ m ka m na ndị abịa m ka mụ na ndị nke m nọlịa. Ka mụ na ndị nke m nọlịa. Ndị ọma m fụrụ n'anya. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen. Anọ m n'usekwu. See, I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. It's okay. Okay. We are here to prepare our food in African way. And today I'm not here to give you funny things, jokes as usual. You know, I bring jokes to hear on YouTube. I bring cultural things. I bring family lifestyle videos. Dịka Ada Igbo njem ọnụ, ana m ewe akwagenta asụsụ Igbo. I promote Igbo language here. I promote culture. Usekwu. What is usekwu? Usekwu is kitchen in Igbo language. We call usekwu kitchen. Yes. Someone should like the video. Someone should like the video. So you can see I'm in usekwu. See, I'm preparing here. So I said, let me come live and here with my people. Let me come live and and where are you watching me from? Anytime you see this video, even if you are seeing this late, I would like you to say hi and tell me where you are watching us right from. Okay, so I'm not going to stay much because today is Saturday. You know, every Saturday as a working class mom, I have to do first, then I focus on what I'm doing. Yes, without distraction, because my children will be there waiting to eat food. Okay, and this I want to prepare this yam in African way. I want it to be yam and sauce. It's our red oil. This is Africa. Love. Anytime you see my video, remember to show me love. Okay, when you show me love, I'm glad. I'll always be glad. I'll always be happy. So here is you in you. Here is YouTube. I used to bring forth family lifestyle, cultural. I used to promote culture and na-ewepụtakwa asụsụ Igbo na-akụzi asụsụ Igbo. I do teach Igbo language. If you want personal online one-on-one teaching, I can do that for you too. So I want to tell you that I love you without quickly taking our time. Well, I'll keep on seeing you. We'll see some other time. Yeah, bye. Mhm. Anyị